Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Now let us learn new chapter, chapter number 7, Basic Geometry. Yes, children, in first standard, we have learned so many shapes. Okay. What we have learned? Square. Very good. Yes. Now let's recall. Help each shape give its introduction by filling the blanks. We have learned square. Then tell me some another basic shapes. That is rectangle. Very good. More shapes tell children. Triangle. More shapes. Wow, triangle, yes. Then circle. Very good. Now can you name some more? Yes, oval shape. So today we will learn the basic shapes. Let's recall. Help each shape give its introduction by filling the blanks. Hi, I am a dash. I have dash corners and dash equal sides. Now see children in the figure. What you can see? It is a square. Hi, I am a square. I have now here, how many corners you can see children? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. How many corners? 4 corners. I have 4 corners. Now how many sides? We will see the sides in the square. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many 4 equal sides? 4 equal sides. Hi, I am a square. I have 4 corners and 4 equal sides. Yes. Now come to the next one here. What you can see here, blue one. This is rectangle. Yes. Hi, I am a rectangle. Now corners. I have how many corners here? 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. And how many sides? 1, 2, 3 and 4 sides. Now here we will see which sides are equal. In rectangle, the opposite sides, that is up, down. This is the opposite side. Then front and next. There you can see the opposite sides. Okay, hi, I am a rectangle. I have 4 corners and 4 sides. My opposite sides are equal. So here you can see all the opposite sides only is equal. Okay, but in the square we saw all 4 equal sides. But in rectangle we saw that only the opposite sides are equal. Yes? Hi, I am a rectangle. I have 4 corners and 4 sides. My opposite sides are equal. Now here, hello, what you can see children here? Circle. I am a circle. You can see corners here? No, I have no corners or sides. There is no sides also here. I am just round. Hello, I am a circle. I have no corners or sides. I am round. Hi, now what you can see here children? Which figure? Triangle. Hi, I am a triangle. I have how many sides? 1, 2, 3 sides. How many sides? 1, 2, 3 sides. And how many corners? 1, 2, 3. 3 corners. Hi, I am a triangle. I have 3 sides and 3 corners. Yes. Now what is here? This is oval shape. Hello, I am an oval. I have no corners or 0 corners or sides. You can't see any side here or you can't see the corner. Okay, I am like a flattened circle. Hello, I am an oval. I have 0 corners or sides. I am like a flattened circle. So we have seen the basic shapes. Now here, what is this, children? Tell me. Square. All four sides are equal. This is a square. Now with the blue one, what is here, children? It is a rectangle. Here you can see the opposite sides are equal. Yes. Now here, circle. This is a circle. Yes, it has no corners or sides. Now next, with the orange one, what is here, children? This is a triangle. Very good. 3 corners and 3 sides. Now here it is an oval shape. Yes, this is an oval. It has 0 corners or sides. Okay. So we have seen all the basic shapes, that is square, rectangle, circle, triangle, oval. Now let's learn 2 more new shapes. Diamond. See a diamond. It has 4 equal sides and 4 corners. Unlike a square, the sides are slanting and not straight. Now here you can see the sides slanting in the figure. Yes, in the figure you can see slanting. Now slanting 1, slanting 2, slanting 3, slanting 4. These are the slanting side. Now we will see the corners. It has 4 corners. Corner 1, corner 2, corner 3, corner 4. Okay. So this is diamond. Everybody have understood? It has 4 equal sides and 4 corners. Very good. Now next is semicircle. It is half of a circle. Can you see it is a half of a circle, children? Semicircle means it is a half of circle. So we have learned diamond shape and semicircle. Now identify the shape in the pictures below. Write S for square, R for rectangle, C for circle, T for triangle, D for diamond, SC for semicircle and O for oval. Now children, tell me what is the first one? Yes, what will come? Square. Very good. S. It is a square. All 4 corners are equal. All 4 sides are equal. It has 4 corners. Now next, B. What is this, children? Tell me. Rectangle. In rectangle, what is there? I've taught you there are 4 corners and opposite sides are equal. What is here? Opposite sides are equal. That is why it is a rectangle. C. Now what you can see? It is a circle. It has no sides or no corners. Okay, this is a circle. So we write C. Now next, fourth one. D1, it is a oval. Okay, it has 0 corners. So we write O. E. Now this is also circle. It has no corners or sides. So we write C. Now what is F? Tell me, children, I've taught you. Very good. Diamond. It has 4 corners and all the 4 sides are equal, but we have slanting 1, slanting 2, slanting 3, slanting 4 lines in diamond. Okay. Now next, G. Now here what is the shape? What you can see here? 3 corners and 3 sides. It is a triangle. Okay. T. So it is T. Now H. Now what you can see? Circle. So we will write C. It has no sides or no corners. Now I. What you can see here? Semicircle. What you can see? Semicircle. So we will write SC. Okay. So we have identified the shape. We have seen the examples. Okay. So many examples. Now solid shapes. Look at the given figures. Now this is a square. It is flat. It has no thickness. Okay. This is a dice. It is not flat. It is a solid shape. 6 squares joined together to form this shape. Each square is a face of the dice. Thus, it has 6 faces. The place where two faces join is called an edge. Thus, it has 12 edges. Okay. Now, here you can see the faces. Now, it has 6 faces. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, from the other side also 3. Then, edges we will see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And from other opposite side, there are more 3 edges. So, there are 12 edges together. Okay, we have seen the faces and the edges. Okay. Now, this is a cube. It has 6 flat square faces. Now, we will see the 6 flat square faces. Okay. Yes. Now, see the faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. There are 6 flat square faces. Okay. We have seen with the blue mark. Now we will see the edges. There are 12 straight edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So we have seen 12 straight edges with the red color. Yes. Now we will see corners. There are 8 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, with the yellow color, we have seen the 8 corners. Yes, what we have seen? 8 corners. This is a cube. It has 6 flat square faces. With the blue color, we have seen 6 flat square faces. Now with the red color, we have seen 12 straight edges. Okay, you can see in the figure with the red color. Now we have done with the yellow color, that are the corners. It has 8 corners. Yes. Now this is a cuboid. Okay, it has 6 flat faces. Now I'll show you in the figure which are the 6 flat faces. Yes, with the red color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are the 6 flat faces. Now we will see the edges. With the red color, we have seen the flat faces. Now we will see the edges. Okay. Now with the yellow color, we will mark the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So there it has 12 edges. With the yellow color, we have seen the 12 edges in the cuboid. Now we will see the corners. Yes, with the blue color. 1 corner, 2 corner, 3 corner, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is with the green color, we have seen it has 8 corners. This is a cuboid. It has 6 flat faces. It has 12 edges. It has 8 corners. With the red color, we have seen the faces. The edges we have seen with the yellow color, that is 12 edges, and 8 corners with the green color. So we have seen the cuboid. Now this is a cone. It has one flat face and one curved face. Okay, we will see now with the green color. This is flat face, one flat face. Now we will see the curved face. Yes, one curved face. This is the curved face. Okay, children? See, you can see with the green color. One curved face. Yes, it has only one edge. Okay, with the red color you will see the only one edge. This is the one edge. Okay, it has only one corner. Okay, at the up, which is called as vertex with the blue color. Okay, it has one corner which is called vertex. So this is a cone. It has one flat face and one curved face. We have seen with the green color. Okay. Now we will see the edge with the red color. We have seen the edge. It has only one edge. And with the blue color, it has one corner which is called vertex. You can see at the top the vertex. Okay, here the vertex. Now this is a cylinder. Okay, what is your cylinder? In the figure we will see it has two circular flat faces. Now here you will see with the red color one flat face and the another one. Okay, so it has two circular flat faces. You can see round with the red color. Now it has one curved face, one the long one with the yellow color. It is one curved face. Okay, in the cylinder we have one curved face with the yellow color. Now it has no corners. Can you see corners here, children? No, it has no corners. It has two edges. Okay, we will see the edges. See one and the two with the blue color. Okay, now this is a cylinder. It has two circular flat faces with the red color. See in the figure. Okay, here and here. It has one curved face with the yellow color. It has no corners. It has two edges with the blue color. You can see one edge and two edge. So this is the cylinder. Yes. Now this is a sphere. Okay, you can see it's a ball. It has only one curved face. Yes, see in the middle you can see. It has only one curved face. It has no flat face. It has no edges or corners. It has only one curved face. Yes. Now identify the solid shapes in the given figures. Now children, tell me which is the first one. Cylinder. Yes, what is first one? Cylinder. Very good. Second one, B. Sphere. B. Sphere. Good. C. Tell me children what it is. Cuboid. Here what you see in the cuboid? It is a rectangular figure. Okay, it is a cuboid. Next, what is this? This is a cube. Very good. Excellent. This is cube. Now E. What you can see here? It is cylindrical. So it is cylinder. Good. Next. Here tell me children F1. Yes, cuboid. Good. It is a cuboid. Next G. It is like a cone. Yes, cone. The shape is cone. Now here. How it is round. So sphere. What is the shape? Sphere. Last one. The shape is like a cone. So it is cone. So we have learned basic geometry part 1. Very good children. Thank you. Bye bye.